to Vixen's Vibe Crochet Cowl chart number 3. In this video, we are going to take a look at the chart you are following along with. I'm going to give you my own little tips for where I would use duplicate stitch, and we're just going to have a quick discussion of where we go from here. This is a free pattern at marleybird.com. You can go over there and grab the chart for your own, or if you got that pattern upgrade, you can always find everything inside your Marley Bird house, including the Stitch Fiddle link we're going to take a look at. So let's jump over to Stitch Fiddle right here. This is chart number 3. Looks like a whole lot of nothing. But I promise you, when you put this on top of your chart number 2, you're going to be able to see what is happening. Okay, big things I want you to pay attention to is right here on row or round number 1, we do have these black dots on stitch number 9 and number 12. Obviously, that means that you're going to be working with 4 colors on this entire round, which can be a little bit cumbersome. So those are 2 stitches I would either go back and do duplicate stitch for, or you can even do a little embroidery French knot, or if you're somebody who has like maybe some buttons or some eyes or like amigurumi eyes or anything sticking around, you want to use those in those spots, you could do that. Like whatever you want to do, there are so many options. Another area to be concerned with is right here on rounds 4 and 5, where you have these 2 white specks. You could go back and use your duplicate stitch for those 2 stitches as well, because it'll be so much easier to do just 2 quick little duplicate stitches versus carry that yarn across 20 stitches before you have to use it again. Don't forget to take the opportunity to tuck in those long floats whenever you get a chance. Or if you're not doing that, that's fine. It's totally up to you. It's your cowl. But if you are doing it, just kind of make sure that they aren't, making your work too thick. Make sure you're doing it so that your work isn't too thick and that you're not seeing them on the right side. Other than that, that's all you have to tackle for this chart. Where we go from here on chart number 4, we actually finish up the entire center motif. So you're going to see completely what it looks like. And we'll move on to chart number 5. After that, we finish it up with the final edging and that I-cord that we're going to put inside of that casing that we started on the very first day. And you're going to have a very cute cowl. Hopefully you're enjoying this and you are posting progress as you work along. Make sure you tag me. I'm the Marley Bird on Instagram. And if you use hashtag mmmdi or Marley Bird, I will definitely find your project and smash your like button. That's it for me, everybody. I will see you on the next video. Bye.